Hi guys, Retro Jingo here. Well, this time I got a question and I hope you guys can help me. I just opened this drive and this one moves freely, no problem at all. But I think it's got a problem on the board here because when I turn it on, it does not move all the way back and reset. So I think it's got something to do with this. And also, it keeps on turning. But when I turn on my Commodore 64, and I turn off my 1541 and turn it on again with the Commodore 64 on, then it stops. But still, it does not move this one back. So let's just insert a disk. And let it load. If you can see here. That's the only thing it does. Try it one more time. That's it, guys. So when it does something like this, I can also close it. All right. So when it acts like this, if you know which component, I just switched these two, what are they called, 6522s. I switched them and nothing helped. So if you have got any other idea, please let me know. It's dusty and all that. I opened it after, I don't know, 20 years of storage. So if you have tried something common like this and have an idea where to look, please let me know. That would be great. Yeah, that's about it, guys. All right. Thank you for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.